with our good buddy Vinny, Steo, CEO and broker with your home sold guaranteed realty, serving Maryland and Lower Pennsylvania for over 2 decades. We're happy to have him back on the show. Good morning, Vinny.
Hey, good morning, guys. Happy Friday.
You know, real estate seems to be front and center when talking about the economy, of course. I know there are a lot of folks out there who have been pushed to the sidelines either because of the high rates or housing has just frankly become all too expensive. So, Vinny, as you look at what's coming over the next several months, what's your advice to folks out there thinking about either buying or selling?
It has been a rough ride for home buyers out there. Seems like everybody's waiting on pins and needles for the Fed to meet and decide on economic policy. Their meeting this week didn't give us the news that we were anticipating, but most analysts that we follow are predicting multiple rate cuts this year, albeit a little bit later than we were hoping for.
So as a home buyer, am I just waiting now for the rates to drop?
Certainly an option, but the mortgage lenders are rolling out programs to compensate for the higher rates. Last year, we were talking about the 2% buy down, where you can get a mortgage 2% lower than the national average. And this year, they've added a 1% down program. This is a game changer for those buyers who would like to either preserve cash or maybe been waiting to save up some money before they pull the trigger.
Well, that's good news to see that the lenders are actually doing what they can to try to help out.
Yeah, Sean, these are the temporary programs that smart buyers are taking advantage of now, because once rates drop, there's going to be so much more competition in the marketplace that it may be even harder to buy a house. And for our sellers, we're also able to offer these special finance programs to drive demand for their homes and also give them options such as our cash offer and also an offer from a buyer who'll use one of these special programs but still take the house as is and close when it's convenient for the seller.
You know, our listeners love all the options you provide. There is no one size fits all.
Absolutely right, Bruce. Just like we did for Mr. Thompson last week in Canton, we did our 1-hour home sale on a Saturday afternoon, found a great buyer willing to pay him more than his asking price, and 3 weeks later, he walks out with a check. Can't get much easier than that. So if you'd like to take a look at some of the options, whether you're buying or selling, you can visit us on the web, vinnysteo.com. That's vinnysteo.com. Or just shoot us a quick text, 410-709-7515. That's 410-709-7515.